The Nikon D5500 delivers excellent photo quality as well as a performance that can keep up with your kids and pets. The redesigned grip may not be comfortable for people with large hands, and Nikon really needs to update its Wi-Fi app. Lightweight and compact with everything the family photographer needs, the Nikon D5500 maintains its position as a great general-purpose DSLR. Ever since I reviewed it in 2013, I've been recommending the Nikon D5300 as my top choice for a general-purpose DSLR suitable for kids, family, and travel photography. The D5500 is a modest update over the D5300, with some design tweaks and a touchscreen display. However, its features aren't as outstanding as they were when the D5300 debuted a couple years ago, and I have mixed feelings about the design changes. One significant difference between my evaluation units of the D5300 and D5500 is the lens. The D5300 had a much better, albeit a lot bigger and more expensive, 18-140mm f3.5 to 5.6 lens. For the D5500, Nikon created its primary kit with the 18-55mm f3.5 to 5.6 II lens, $850, 720 pounds, $1,000, a lighter, smaller, collapsible model that makes the system feel a lot lighter, but that also feels like a real step down. The video quality is very good, certainly better than average for your sports and vacation shots. If you want to shoot more serious video, Nikon includes a flat picture profile so that you can preserve the otherwise clipped bright and dark areas.